Hello, today I'm going to present the algorithms of replacement of memory. Um for this case, I have four algorithms. First FIFO, first in, first out. Second is LRU, last recently used. MFU, more frequently used, and the last one is LFU, less frequently used. Um, I simulate these algorithms in Excel first, and then I use the algorithms that I found in the web. Okay, this first algorithm, but basically replace the reference more that in first. For example, I have the reference 5 sorry 9, and I first use the reference 5, then I replace the reference 5 by the reference 9, and the execution of this is failed because the reference 9 they are not in the memory. Okay, yeah, and the letter F represent that the process failed. It happens when I have a reference in memory that doesn't exist. For example, the first case, the 5 doesn't exist in the memory, and in the second reference, the number 2 doesn't exist in the memory. Okay, go to the LRU algorithm. In this case, the algorithm replace replace the last recently used reference. In this case, I have the same sequence that FIFO, and in this case I replace the reference 2 by 9 because the reference 2 are the last recently used. Okay, the letters represents exactly the same. F is when the reference they are in the memory, and the pass is when their all reference are in the memory. Okay, in this case the number of failed are 11, and in FIFO are 10. Okay, the algorithm MFU is more frequently used. This algorithm basically is used sometimes similar than FIFO. In this case, I have the reference 5, and I replace this with reference 9 because this is the more frequently used. Okay. In the next case is exactly the same, and the last one is LFU, last frequently used. In this case, I have the same sequence, but in this case I have asterisk that represents the number of times that these references are called or are invoked in the memory. Then if you see the LFU and LRU, the result is something near. In the LRU, I have 11 times, and in the LFU, I have 12 times. Yes, 12 times. Okay. I'm going to present the algorithms. I found these algorithms for C++ and C, the language C. Okay, the first sequence that I show you is the sequence of the job of this work, um, this sequence, and I go to compile the process, the program, sorry. Then this is for compile. Okay, waited a minute, and now I go to run the program. As you can see, I have a mean reference that is 1, max page that is 13, a num reference that is 13, available frames that is 3, and as you can see, LRU have 7 fails, FIFO have 8 fails, LFU have 7 fails. If I see in the file, you can see that FIFO has 3, 6, 7, 8 failed. If you can see, here is the number 8, and if I see the LRU algorithm, I have 4, 6, 7 failed. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this the program show this the same number of fail. Okay, and if I see the LFU, it have 7 failed too. Okay, the last algorithm that I go to present is the algorithm of MFU, more frequently used. In this case, I have this in C language programming, and then I go to present this. First, I compile the program. Next, I run this program. As you can see, I have 10 numbers of failed. Let me check. Okay, this is the sequence that I created for this presentation, but the sequence that are used in the file for this job is this. Okay, I go to recompile this program. Wait me a minute. Okay, and then I go to run. If you can see, I have 9 fails. If I see the file, I have the same number, as you can see, 4, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. These algorithms are used by the replacement system of memory. In this case, this algorithm might be selects the LRU algorithm or the LFU algorithm. And finally, I go to show the program works with my sequence, that is this sequence. That is the sequence that I show you in the Excel program. And if I run, first I compile the program, and then I run the MFU, you can see that MFU are 10 filed, and the success are 3. If I go back and run the last program, you can see that is the same result that I have in the sorry, the sequence is different. I need to go this, comment this code, and replace with it. If I recompile this with this sentence, I have the result. As you can see in the file of the program Excel, in FIFO, I have 10 failets, exactly the same that in my simulation. In LRU, I have 11 failed. It's exactly the same that my file simulated. And the last one, LFU, has 12 failed. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope that the explanation was clear. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.